Beaded Doilies by Shell. In this video, I'm hoping to show you some ways to tie your beaded doily scarf necklace. I have 3 doilies I'm going to be using for this video. I have my short necklace, which I created recently. I have the first one I created, which is the middle length necklace, which I created for my daughter. And then I have my most recent weather scarf, which is my longest of the 3. Now first, I want to show you with the short one. You can do a simple knot where you just slip it over your neck, and then you take one, flip it over the other, and there you have your necklace. All nice and simple. Now if you want, and you don't mind things close to your neck, you can fold it in half and you can enter the 2 pieces into the loop and you can have it right up at your neck. And those are some nice ones for a short doily necklace. Now the medium one, I'm going to show you a couple of simple ones for a long necklace. We'll fold it in half, put it over our neck, and then we'll take the 2 and slip it inside the 1. And there you have a nice simple necklace. And another thing you can do with it is simply put it around and let both hang. You can adjust the lengths of each to a desired length. You can also make it so that the middle hangs down a little bit. And then you can also get a little bit more creative. So we'll use the weather one for the next few. And this one, you fold your scarf in half, put it around your neck, and then you'll open it and you'll put one in, and then you'll twist and you'll put the other one in. Then adjust it, and there you have a nice little knot. Now remember, when you take it apart, that you want that they can catch, so just be patient. Usually they come off very easily. Another idea is, again, folding it in half, putting it around, then you put both through, and then you turn and you put both through again. And then you let that settle, and you have a nice little knot. Now these ideas that I am showing you, I got off the internet. This next one I'm going to use the small width. And I just typed in tie a scarf. So it's all just scarf knots that I am using. Here we'll put it around, bring it forward, and then we can just slip each, or you can just leave it like this, or you can slip them inside like this. And there's a nice short necklace for you. And I have one more. Actually, this one I'm going to use the short one too. Now this time we're going to go from the front. We'll leave a little bit in the front. We'll take the 2 around, bring them forward, then we'll flip the front so that we have a little bit of hole, and then we'll just slip our 2 inside of it. And then adjust it so that it feels right. Oops, that one's not going in. I think I need to... Nope, maybe the little one just won't work too well for this one. So we'll go ahead and get one of the larger ones. We'll have a nice loop. Bring our 2 ends around. Turn our loop. And we'll slip in one and then slip in the other. And then let it settle. And there we have a nice little knot. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find lots and lots of ways to tie your own scarf necklace. Happy beading!